Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 24. Almost really that time, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging all this way for Cookmas. Where I've been giving you guys daily videos for the month of December for the holiday season. So for today's recipe, we're going to make a meal that you could possibly make on Christmas to make a different variation of the classic. We're going to go ahead and make some wonderful chicken Alfredo lasagna roll-ups. So I'm pretty sure you guys have had a lasagna roll-up or two before. In this case, we're just going to make them chicken Alfredo style. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using. These are a variation, of course, of the standard lasagna, but I would say they're probably a little bit easier to make and quicker to make than a traditional lasagna, but they taste just as good. So hopefully you guys are ready to start this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so these are the chicken Alfredo lasagna roll-ups. They turned out fabulous. As you can see, they're pretty easy to make as well. You could always use a jarred Alfredo sauce, or to cut corners, you could also use some rotisserie chicken and shred that up. Either way, it's still going to taste delicious, I guarantee. Definitely tasted like chicken Alfredo, and especially if you do love lasagna, I think you're going to love these roll-ups as well. They were also definitely very creamy and delicious as far as the Alfredo sauce and then the chunks of chicken inside. I ate a few of them, guys. They are easy to eat as well, so be careful, but they are delicious. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you ever had a lasagna roll-up before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.